Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today, I'm going to tear apart this 22 RE engine I got for $100 and see how it looks inside. When I bought my 1987 four-wheel drive Toyota, the seller said I could have this spare 22 RE engine from a 93 pickup for another $100. Mileage unknown. I didn't need it, but for $100, why not? Never having heard it run, I can't just resell it and make a couple $100 profit, so instead, let's tear it down and see what kind of shape it's in. So here's the main bearings. Not terrible. Some decent wear on that middle one though. This one too. Cylinder walls look alright. There's definitely some mileage on this engine, but it looks like it was good to go. I mean, it's a 22RE. It'll go for a long time. Let's check out the crank. This looks good. The head is really clean. Here's the combustion chambers. I haven't seen anything bad so far anywhere on the engine. Here's the other main bearings. Again, some wear on these. Pistons look fine. The rod bearings are showing some wear though, just a little bit. So, other than some bearings showing some wear, this engine is in great shape. Well, I had fun taking it apart. Do me a favor and slap that like button if you enjoyed this video. It lets me know which content you like best, so I can keep it coming here at the 6th Gear Garage.